What's up, everybody? It's your boy Thick Daddy, and today we're doing another Papa John's Mukbang. This is the whatchamacallit? I forgot already. This is the garlic stuffed crust pizza, epic garlic stuffed crust, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what it's all about. A friend of mine, a very close friend of mine, told me that the garlic was perfect with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I have the works, so it's got all the different meats and stuff on it. So we're gonna see. Now, one thing I will say is that with Domino's, they definitely give you more meats on the works. So let's go ahead and take a bite, dig in. I asked them for extra sauce, but they did not put extra sauce on there. But I live in South Florida, and yeah, if you're in Florida, there's no such thing as good customer service. Alrighty. Time to see what this garlic stuffed crust is all about. Honestly, still for the most part tastes like the regular stuffed crust. So, Domino's has a good, that garlic stuffed crust, well, not stuffed crust, but that garlic crust Domino's has, that's delicious. I don't know why they didn't just do that. Sprinkled the garlic, whatever thing that Domino's has on their crust. They should have spread that on this. You know, that good garlic seasoning that Domino's uses. Because that Domino's pizza has much more garlic flavor on theirs than this does. Don't get me wrong, it's still a good pizza. I just find it very hard to distinguish any difference between the regular epic stuffed crust, the garlic, and the calzone stuffed crust. They're all basically just taste the same. There's no real difference in any of them. Definitely not a noticeable difference. But still a good pizza though. And then they say limited time, you know, so that to build that fear of missing out, or the FOMO as they call it. If you're watching this in the future and you're looking at this video and trying to find out what this tasted like, don't worry, you didn't miss anything out. It tastes just like the regular epic stuffed crust. There's no difference. Same with the calzone one that I tried. I actually made a video on. No difference. Still a really good pizza though. It just doesn't taste garlicky. I just don't taste the garlic. No, let me try this. Let me lick the top. If I have to try to think that hard on it, it's not noticeable. If you told me this was just a regular epic stuffed crust, I wouldn't have even had a second thought about it. That's the thing. There really is no difference between all the different stuffed crust pizzas at Papa John's. Now, it looks like there's a little bit of maybe black pepper sprinkled around the crust. Or maybe it is a little bit of garlic seasonings. But the problem is that I just can't taste the flavor. I think someone from Papa John's needs to order a Domino's pizza so they can understand what garlic flavoring really is, or how it should be done. Did they maybe forget to put? Hold on. Because in the commercial, it looked like they had, some kind of seasoning in the cheese on the commercial, but I don't know. I was told it was really good, but maybe they just, maybe Maybe they just really enjoyed the pizza. Mm-hmm. I do want to be as unbiased as possible, though. Right? This is a good pizza. Right? No doubt about it. It's probably, in my opinion, one of the best pizzas you could, probably the best pizza that you can get from the larger chains or the big four. When I say the big four, I mean, excuse me, I mean Papa John's, Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Little Caesars. Right? So, the big four, I think this is definitely the best pizza that you could get. So, I'm not disappointed. It is a good pizza, but, well, I'm only partially disappointed. My disappointment comes from not it being a bad pizza, but from there being no real world distinguishment from the 3 different types of the stuffed crust. And that's what's kind of disappointing for me. But again, that doesn't mean that... Sorry about that. Someone has their kid crying on full volume outside. So, yeah. Like I said, there's no flavor, there's no way to distinguish them via flavor, in my opinion. They all taste the same. So yeah. The reason why I was saying I'm being unbiased is that is because I have tasted the other ones before. So that's why I'm a little disappointed. But for someone that's never had the other ones before, it's just a really delicious stuffed crust pizza, honestly. You know what's funny? Since Papa John's came out with the stuffed crust. Notice how there's been no longer been any talk regarding Pizza Hut? It's like no one goes to Pizza Hut anymore. I think people that did go to Pizza Hut went for the stuffed crust. Now that Papa John's has it, there's no reason to go to Pizza Hut anymore. Pizza Hut pizzas are very bland, in my honest opinion. Very greasy and bland. So, from a flavor standpoint, I think it's Papa John's is definitely the better stuffed crust. I think the best tasting, I think Papa John's is the best. But Domino's is a really strong runner-up. Domino's is really good too. I just think that Pizza Hut slightly edges them out. My throat's getting dry because even though I put the order extra sauce, they didn't put it. So throat's getting a little dry. Normally they get it right, but not today. You can barely see any sauce on the pizza there. Even here you can barely see sauce. I like my pizza very saucy. That's another thing I like about Domino's. Now, this is subjective because it depends on the employees that are in there at that day, right? At Domino's, when I order extra sauce, they always give me a lot of extra sauce, right? At Papa John's, it's hit or miss. Sometimes they give me extra sauce, sometimes they don't. You know, but I know when I order Domino's, I ask for extra sauce, or maybe it's just that specific location. They're always on point when I ask for extra sauce. But I think I've ordered Domino's more than Papa John's, honestly. Now, I will say Domino's is the best value pizza. Even better than Little Caesars. Yes, I said it. Yes. Got 2 for $6.99. Great deal. I'll take that deal. I'll take that deal. You'll take that deal? I'll take that deal. Because I know that you have to get the 2 pizzas, but if you think about it, right? That's 16 slices in total. How many slices of pizza are you going to eat, right? As one person. That'll last you a week. Obviously, you're probably going to eat more than just the pizza, but that $6.99 times 2, that's $14, right? Plus tax, $16, right? You have 2 slices a day or 3 slices a day, depending on however you eat. I know I normally eat more than most people, but I don't know. Let's say you have eggs or something for breakfast, and then pizza for lunch or dinner. You know, that $16 will carry you a while, you know, and the pizza's really good on top of that. Both Domino's and Papa John's makes really good pizza. I feel like that's a much better deal than going into Little Caesars and picking up a pizza for $5.55. I'd rather spend that extra $1.50. Wouldn't even think about it. put the rest of the pizza in there. I'll get the Domino's, eat 4 slices, put the other half and the other pizza in the fridge. But see, pizza is one of those things that, in my opinion, some people like to toast their pizza. I like to microwave it. I like the gooiness. I like when pizza's gooey. Some people like it crispy. That's fine. It's up to you. I like my pizza gooey and stringy. I like my dough soft, pizza gooey and stringy. That's just, how I like it. So, I think that in a lot of cases, pizza does taste better after it's in the microwave because it's even more soft and gooey. So, that's my take on it. So, that being said, I think Domino's makes the best as far as budget pizza goes. And if you can spare an extra $4, right, you can get 2 medium specialty pizzas, which is, extravaganza, pizza. I recommend that even more because I've done that before. Get because they're $9.99 each, right? An extra $2 or $3 for pizza, right? Sorry, that's extra $6 in total more, right? So, yeah, it's an extra $6 in total more. Extra $3 for pizza, you get basically the extravaganza, which has all your meat and veggie toppings, or you get the pizza, which has all the meat toppings, right? I normally get the extravaganza, which has the veggies and the meat and stuff like that. You get 2 of them for $10, $20. You got 2 medium-sized, fully loaded pizzas, right? And Domino's gives you the most toppings on their specialty pizzas than all the other companies. So I think that's a really good deal. That's a damn good deal, right? In comparison to the rest. So I've done that before. I've gotten like 2 of them, and that pizza lasts me 3 days. So let's say you don't feel like cooking. Get home. You worked a 12-hour, 13 to 14-hour shift. Come home. You just want to eat something to go to sleep. Put that pizza in the microwave for 2.5 minutes, like 3 slices in there, or 4 slices even. I'll put 4 slices in the microwave. Heat it up. 2.5 minutes. Take it out. Let it cool off like 30 seconds. Right, maybe 60 seconds. Let it cool off like 60 seconds so I don't burn myself trying to eat it. Then I eat it. Wow, delicious. So, can't tell you how many times I've done that before. But yeah. I'm struggling right now because normally I can eat the whole pie. And I've done it in previous videos several times. I had some chips and dip earlier today. It was a chili queso dip and bean salsa with corn in it. Mwah. Oh my gosh, that was so good. So I had quite a bit of that. And that's why I'm not really able to finish this. But trust and believe, it won't go to waste. It's gonna go right up in my fridge. And you best believe it will be consumed tomorrow. I'll eat it for dinner tomorrow. Make an omelet in the morning. Well, I'm off tomorrow, so afternoon. I'm not getting up early tomorrow. And, yeah, get up in the afternoon, make a nice cheesy omelet. Might put chicken in the omelet. I don't know. I might just have eggs and cheese. Who knows? But I'll have that omelet. Then later on for dinner, I'll have this. Oh, man. I don't know why my throat's acting funny. They have the zero sugar Baja Blast Mountain Dew. It's delicious. You know something funny? A lot of people say, like, they kind of laugh at you for getting diet drinks or zero sugar drinks. Well, my thing is, why would you want to add 70 to 80 grams of sugar to your meal for no reason? You know what I mean? It's not because I'm on a diet or anything. It's just I'd rather not add 76 grams of sugar to my meal. That's it. And I think diet drinks taste better personally because they're not as sweet. In my opinion. Not only that, but you have soda, you know, the sugar from that soda sometimes messes with your taste palate. Being that that's not real sugar, it doesn't affect your taste palate. So, you ever drink soda and then drink water right after, and the water just tastes terrible because you had all that sugar from the soda on your tongue? If you get a diet drink, right, and drink water shortly after that, the water still tastes just like water. So, same thing with food and desserts. Desserts are not as good after drinking soda. Let me tell you that much. All right. I've blabbed on long enough. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Would I recommend this? Well, it's not a review. Just me eating stuff. But I think I would recommend this. Not really, I wouldn't recommend the Works. Basically, the Works is or Meat Lovers. I don't remember if it's called the Works or the Meat Lovers. I think it's the Meat Lovers. I don't recommend it because it's an extra $7 to have all these toppings. And I don't think they put much more toppings on there than if you were to just get the sausage. Maybe if you want a nice variety of toppings. Yeah, but honestly, if I were to do it again, I'd just get the sausage. Because it's $13.99. And with the specialty, the Meat Lovers, it was $21. So that's $7 more that I paid. Honestly, I would have been satisfied with just the sausage. And yeah. But I figured I'd be a little fancy for the video. So, there you go. Oh yeah, I finished this. They make these cans so tiny. I have more in the fridge, so that's fine. I'll probably just drink water the rest of the night. I kind of just drink these for like my videos, but mostly I just drink water. I don't want that to spill. Alright, again, it's been your boy Thick Daddy. Thank you so much for enjoying the video. with me. And as always, enjoy next time.